Turning Google Autofill on or off on the Galaxy S24 allows you to manage how passwords, forms, and other data are automatically filled for convenience and security. Here's how it's done. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Once you're there, find and tap on More Privacy Settings. Next, tap on Autofill Service from Google. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option called Use Autofill with Google. You can toggle this switch to turn the feature on or off, depending on your preference. When it's enabled, Google will be available as an autofill service. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable Google Autofill and set it as your default service. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.